Hello and welcome to the Knowledge Nest. This is my first GCSE Maths video I've ever done, so I've decided to do simultaneous equations. Now, simultaneous equation is when two equations are simultaneous, so exist at the same time. So whilst this x exists, this statement is also true. Whilst this y is true, this y is equal. So with this first example of 3x plus y equals 11 and 2x plus y equal 8. Oh, I forgot to put the second one in. You may be able to tell that we have two y's in the same place, and that means by minusing them from each other we can completely get rid of the value for y, leaving us just with the value that we want, which is x. That would leave us with 3. So now that we have x equals 3, what we can do is we can we can then substitute in the value of x in place of x, which is 3 times 3 is 9 plus y equals 11. So we have 9 plus y equals 11. Take the 9, leaving us with y equals 2. Now this one was more of a simpler one, but with my next example you will notice that it's not always as simple as look for where they match up. As with this one, you'll have to derive a means of finding the values, so you can't just adapt them straight over. You have to look for them, you have to see what they've got in common, what you can adapt. So this one, what you may notice is 3 and minus 2. Add those together, you get 1. So what you can do is by adding these two, you can then add them together to get 10x plus 1y equals, that would be, so you're plussing that, so that would make it 12. So now that you've got this, what you can do is you've got minus 2 here, plus 1 here. So that means if you add it twice, you've completely got rid of this. You've completely got rid of this set of y up here. So we times it by 2, that gives us 20x. And then we add the 6, which would be 26x. Got y, 2 of those onto that is none. Want 2 12s, which is 24. Onto the 15 makes 39. I forgot to put my x on there. So 26x equals 39. Now this is really awkward, so you might need a calculator if you're doing this, if you're following along at home. But divide that by 26 gives you x equals 1.5. With this information, we can then go back to our original equation and insert our value of x, which would be 6 of 1.5, which is 9, minus 2y equals, equals 15. So we've now got 9 minus 2y equals 15. If we then take away this 9, we've then got minus 2y equals 6. Then we want to make it a singular y term, so we divide it by negative 2. So that would flip the symbol on the other side to make it minus 3. You can find more examples like this on BBC Bite Size in the GCSE AQA section. It'll be simultaneous equations. I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this has helped you. Please remember to like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and wait for future uploads. this has been the Knowledge Nest. See you next time.